Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I have a cute mini to share with you. I made this to fit inside of the TV box that I made a couple of weeks ago. And both are made using the Say Cheese Halloween paper collection from Simple Stories. It's absolutely adorable. I love the sayings on the journaling cards and the stickers, and I think that's perfect for what I'm going to be using this album for. So I'm going to be filling this album with photos of my granddaughter in her Halloween costumes throughout the years. So it'll be a while before it's filled, but I think this is going to be so fun and something to look forward to every Halloween, and so I'm really excited about that. This album has a soft spine with a floating hinge. I do have a basic album tutorial for albums like these, and then I also have a tutorial for this specific album that teaches you how I did this particular spine with the elements that are inside of the album. And so I'll put a link to both tutorials in the description box below, as well as a link to the tutorial for the TV box. So this album is 3 1/8 by 4 5/8 inches, and the spine is 2 inches deep. It does have an eyelet attached to hold a dangle, and I just have this little ghosty tied on for right now. I am going to be putting a beaded dangle with my granddaughter's name on it. So I will do that after this video. And then I have this cute polka dot paper on the back. I love the little jack-o'-lanterns on the spine. And the cover I kept very simple because I still need this to slide in and out of the box okay. So I've just got a journaling card and a ribbon and a little sticker here. So even though it's simple, I think it came out really super cute. So I'll open this up here, and I have a journaling card that I've trimmed down and made into a little folder. I have a little looped ribbon here to help me pull this up, and there's room for 2 wallet size photos here. Then I have a text spot here with the little kitty like I put on the TV box, or I can just attach the photo to the page as well. And another text spot made using one of the 2x2 journaling cards that's just trimmed down a little bit vertically, and then there's probably room for maybe 1 or 2 photos here. I have a little flip up here, and I've used these little stickers to make the tabs. And then all of these fold outs and such are held together with a magnet. This little journaling card has the cute classic jack-o'-lanterns that I absolutely love, and then it's got the little spider on its head from the sticker sheet, and then this opens up 1, 2, 3 times to put lots of photos, and that snaps shut with a magnet, and then another journaling tuck spot or photo tuck spot. And then this card is cut from one of the 3x4 journaling cards and then backed with some black cardstock. And then this holds the flip up in place. And then you open this up and there's the journaling card hiding inside. And so room for a picture in this pocket here or here or here, or I can tuck another photo in here. So lots of choices there for lots of photos. And then a photo mat here and here. I love this balloon paper, so cute. And then another one of those fold outs that opens up 3 times, and so lots of room for photos there. Another photo mat, and then another flip up. Another tuck spot with the little kitty. And then this little folder here, I have this sticker backed with some heavy duty cardstock to make this a little grip spot to open up this little folder here. So that is my little mini album. I hope you guys like it. I'm really gonna enjoy putting the photos in here. So I'd love to hear your comments. So make sure you leave a comment below. And I'd also appreciate it if you give me that thumbs up. If you like that project, let me know by the thumbs up. And I'd love to have you join me. So if you hit that notification bell, you can join me for my upcoming videos. And so I'll catch you guys next time. So have a wonderful, happy Halloween. Thanks for watching. Bye.